Some places on Earth look so unreal. You'd swear they were created with CGI. But these aren't special effects. They are real landscapes, shaped by time, fire, ice, and forces we barely understand. Welcome to 10 real places on Earth that look like alien planets. Part 2. Deep in the Mauritanian Sahara lies a structure so massive, astronauts say it's impossible to miss. A perfect 40-kilometer wide circle carved into the desert, known as the Richat structure, or the Eye of the Sahara. It looks like an ancient alien megastructure, yet it's entirely natural. Wind, time, and uplifted rock created what looks like a colossal fingerprint stamped on Earth. Here, the waters turn blood red, and anything that falls in risks becoming preserved in a stone-like shell. Lake Natron is one of Earth's most hostile environments, a hyper-salty, caustic lake reaching temperatures as high as 60 degrees. Its minerals are so strong they calcify small animals, freezing them in time. From above, Natron looks like a gateway to Mars, streaked with red, orange, and deep black. In western Turkey, the landscape transforms into something that looks carved by the gods. Pamukkale, a series of white calcium terraces, resembles frozen clouds stacked on a mountainside. But the pools are warm, filled with mineral-rich blue water that glows under sunlight. It's a natural wonder so perfect you could mistake it for a sculpted paradise. Comment which one looks most like another planet. In China's Gansu province, the Earth folds into unreal waves of red, gold, and deep orange. This is Zhangye Danxia, a landscape so sharply layered it looks digitally rendered. Every ridge is the result of millions of years of mineral deposits, stacked like sheets of paint, and sculpted by wind and rain into these alien jagged formations. From the overlook, bands ripple to the horizon. Color gradients shift with sun and passing clouds. Iron, copper, and silt paint stripes in stone. A living canvas carved by time and weather. Wadi is where the line between Earth and Mars starts to blur. A desert of red sand stretching toward towering rock monoliths, some over 1,500 meters high. So otherworldly, it became the filming ground for the Martian, Doong, and countless sci-fi epics. Mars-like mesas cast long shadows over red plains. Here, the silence is so complete, you can hear the sand move. Wind trails etch dunes between sandstone citadels. Here, earthly logic fades into pure geometry. In winter, Lake Baikal transforms into something that looks impossible. The world's deepest lake freezes into electric blue slabs of ice, cracked like shattered glass. Perfect air bubbles get trapped beneath the surface, suspended like frozen galaxies. Standing here feels like walking on another planet. At dawn, the ice glows sapphire and teal, patterned spiderweb for miles under glassy surfaces. Each step hums, ancient water singing through crystal. Enjoying this? Tap like to support more wonders. Share this with a friend who loves wild geology. Subscribe for the next unreal landscape. Deep inside Vietnam lies a place so vast, it feels like an underground planet. Son Doong, the largest cave on Earth, is big enough to fit skyscrapers inside. A collapsed ceiling allowed a forest to grow within the cave, complete with its own jungle, mist, and drifting clouds. And when sunlight breaks through, it creates God rays that look almost supernatural. Hidden deep beneath Mexico lies the Naica Crystal Cave, a chamber filled with crystals taller than humans. Some stretch up to 12 meters long, forming a natural fortress of shimmering gypsum. But inside, the temperature can reach 50 degrees C with 90% humidity. Conditions so extreme that explorers must wear special cooling suits just to survive a few minutes. In a quiet tunnel in Australia, the ceiling comes alive with thousands of glowing blue lights. These aren't stars. They're glowworms, tiny bioluminescent creatures that create an entire underground sky. When the world above goes dark, the tunnel transforms into a living constellation. Which underground alien world would you dare to explore?
At the edge of Greece lies a dry lake bed that looks nothing like Earth. Lake Pikrolimni forms giant polygon-shaped salt patterns, perfect geometric tiles stretching across the ground. Cracked white lines create a landscape so precise, it feels engineered. Under the sun, these patterns glow like the surface of a dying alien planet. From giant crystals, to red alien deserts, to glowing underground galaxies, Earth continues to surprise us with landscapes that feel straight out of science fiction. And this was only part 2. Part 1. Link is available description below. If you want part 3, where we explore the most terrifying alien landscapes on Earth, tell me in the comments. See you in the next adventure.